Welcome to Room Attack, the series where I transform your spaces. Doriel sent over her home office area. She wants to reorganize it, make it more cozy, and also she uses it as a craft area. So we need more storage. First thing that I will do is adding some shelving on top of the desk. This way, we're using all the height of the room and there is no waste. I am going to use her desk, but this is just because we're on a budget. She can switch it in the future in case she wants. And then I had two Billy bookcases on the side, one tall as a desk and one lower that we are also going to use as a bench. Added a super pretty chair. And obviously, I had to panel everything in between the shelf and the desk. Added some art on top. And super important, no matter the budget, is to add textiles. So we're going to add a little carpet and the curtains on the side. You see me adding pillows, so this is literally a bench. And the sliding door, we made it to hang all her crafts. So guys, this is the idea that I had for the place. This is literally the before and this is the after. Just look, it come to reality. This is such a transformation. If you want to see me doing the same thing to your space, I offer now remote packages so you can book me on my website.